Hello, my name is Yash Sharma and today I'm answering the question related to baggage. So let's start.
What do you mean by passenger's luggage?
Passenger luggage is a personal property of the passenger which the passenger can use for their own comfort, and for their personal use.
Right. Is the process of transport, handling and clearing the passenger goods internationally standardized?
No,
Right. Depending on how the passenger's luggage should be tied or what luggage the passenger is allowed to carry or how much baggage the passenger can carry with him.
it is depend on one country to another, one airline to another airline, and it is separated from domestic to international.
Right. What is the type of passenger's baggage?
Checked baggage and unchecked baggage.
Right. By what other name is the unchecked baggage known?
Hand baggage, cabin baggage.
Right. How is check-in baggage handled at the departing airport?
The check-in baggage is weighed at the check-in counter of the airline, and then it is a responsibility of the ground staff of that airline.
Right. What does the passenger get after hand over their baggage to the airline ground staff?
Passenger gets a receipt.
Right. Where are check-in baggage kept in airplane?
Airplane hold.
Right. Can a passenger reach his check-in baggage during air travel?
No.
Right. If the passenger has to change the plane, then if the passenger has to change the plane, what will happen to the passenger's check-in baggage?
Passenger no need to checking his baggage again on the another aircraft.
Right. Passenger at the transfer airport are not required to collect their baggage and passenger at the transfer airport are not required to collect their check-in baggage and check on another plane again. By whom is the transfer done at the airport?
By the airline ground staff.
Right. What information should the traveler have on all check-in baggage?
The name and the contact information should be right on the both inside and outside the passenger's baggage.
Right. If the passenger has been lost or the tag has been removed, how can the luggage be detected in that case?
By the contact information and the name which is written on the both outside and inside the baggage.
Right. Where is the passenger hand baggage kept?
Passenger hand baggage should be kept by the passenger itself, or it can be put inside the seat or at the rack in the airplane.
Right. Are cabin baggage weighted?
Cabin baggage does not be weighted, but it is restricted under the weight and the size concept.
Can you please repeat?
The cabin